Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another cryptocurrency video. As the video title or the thumbnail says, today we'll be talking about Bitcoin and a bearish scenario that I am currently seeing right now on the chart. I'm not trying to create any FUD or fear among you. I am always a Bitcoin bull. I think Bitcoin is in a 11-year macro bull market. If you zoom out and check Bitcoin chart over 11 years since its inception, it's only going up. But this chart that I'm going to share with you right now is certainly happened in the past during the previous bear markets. In a way, what I'm saying is this has been one of the indicators before we went into a deep bear market. So I'm going to show this to you right now. Obviously, I don't want to create any FUD among you, but I am not one of those YouTubers who always want to give you hopium and give you insane targets like Bitcoin will reach 150,000, $200,000 by the year end, by this date, by that date. I don't think that is of anyone's help. You always should know both side of the situation. If I see something negative that is happening, I think it's my responsibility to bring that point of view as well to in front of you, as I always bring the positive point of view as well. So we'll go into the details and let you guys know. Please watch this video till the very end, and I hope you will get a detailed idea about my point of view, why I am saying that we might be going into a deep bear market. As always, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your crypto enthusiast friends. So without any further ado, let's get into the chart. As you guys can see, I currently have the Bitcoin US dollar chart open in trading view, and it's the weekly chart. That means each candle is 1 week of duration. I'm currently having this is not the regular candlestick chart, this is the Heikin-Ashi chart, Heikin-Ashi candles, not the regular candles. And I have the simple moving average placed on here. This white line that you are seeing is the 21-day moving average. Then the yellow line is the 50-day moving average. Then the blue line or the purple line that you see at the bottom is the 200-day moving average. This is the chart setting. Let me show it to you as well. So these are the three parameters that I am using. I want to be very transparent when I am sharing something with you. That's why I'm showing you what chart setting I'm using as well. So what I'm going to tell you guys right now is, in the past Bitcoin price action, anytime Bitcoin weekly candle closed below the 50 weekly moving average, it has always triggered a long extended bear market, and it went to touch the 200 weekly moving average before bouncing back and getting back into another bull market. Obviously, history doesn't always repeat, but it certainly rhymes. Let me prove my point. Let me try to share some data points why I am saying that. As you guys can see, this was the 2017 bull market peak, this place. So here what happened is that this is December 2017. Here we have peaked on that bull cycle, and then Bitcoin came crashing down. It found some support on the 50 weekly moving average, tried to bounce back, then again came down, didn't get any support this time on the 50 weekly moving average, and then a few candles closed below the 50 weekly moving average, again tried to reclaim above the 50 weekly moving average, but got strong resistance over here from the 50 weekly moving average line, then came crashing down and touched the 200-day moving average over here. And if you see historically, this was the bear market bottom price during February March of 2019. So from here Bitcoin again got the support and went back up. Again the same thing happened in July 19, 2019. This time also Bitcoin went to close to 14,000, then came crashing down. First it it broke the support of 21 weekly moving average, then try to find support at the 50 weekly moving average, then closed a few candles below the 50 weekly moving average, then went little bit up, but ultimately during the C19 crash it again came down and tested the 200 week moving average. So this was another bear market bottom. As you guys can see, after getting support from 200 week moving average, we again started the long bull run that we are currently in right now. If you want to see more example, let's go back to the 2013 bull run as well. As you guys can see, this was the bull market of 2013. Let me quickly prepare the chart here, since it's so much in past, trading view is also not displaying it correctly. So as you can see, this is the 2013 bull market. We have a blow off top here during December 2013, and Bitcoin reached a peak of $1,200, then came crashing down, tried to find support on the 50 weekly moving average, went back up little bit, came crashing down, didn't find support from the 50 weekly this time, then again it touched the 200 weekly moving average. Ultimately it didn't break or didn't give any close below the 200 weekly moving average. Then after getting support from 200 week moving average, again started a bull run. So as you guys can see, every time Bitcoin closed any candle, weekly candle below the 50 weekly moving average, we always went back and touched the 200 week moving average, and that marks the bottom of the bear market before Bitcoin touches or starts a new bull market. Now coming back to current bull run, if you see the summer correction that we had in the summer of 2021, even if we fell 50%, still this was the 50 weekly moving average line, and we never closed below the 50 weekly moving average. We had some few weeks below, but we never closed below the 50 weekly. Eventually we got support here and went back up and set a new all-time high of $69,000 almost. Now again we started this downtrend for past 3-4 months. Now this time what I'm seeing different is, as you guys can see, we have closed 4 different weekly candles below the 50 weekly moving average. So as you saw in history during the 2013 bull run as well as in 2017 2018 bull run, every time we closed below the 250-day moving average, we came and retested the 200-day moving average, 200 weekly moving average. That's what I'm seeing right now on the chart. So if we repeat what we did in 2013 and 2017, we might go back to 200 week moving average before starting a new bull run. Currently it is at $19,000 and it will increase with every passing week. This is just one scenario that I thought I should bring to you guys attention. Instead of giving you always hopium, I thought of bringing another perspective and a possible scenario which I personally don't want to happen, but this might play out as well. Anyways, that was the thing that I wanted to convey to you guys. So as you guys can see, every time Bitcoin touches this 200 week moving average, that's the best time to buy if it's possible. That's how you see these meteoric gains. So if you see during March 2020, we had the COVID crash, and then after getting support from 20 weekly to 200 weekly moving average, we started this new bull run and had from $3,000. From $3,000, we went to 65,000, almost did 20x. So those kind of gains are found only when you can buy around this range. But I would say this time it's quite different. We might not go back to 200 week moving average because we have a lot of institution players currently in the market. MicroStrategy, a publicly traded company, is holding 125,000 bitcoins on their balance sheet. So, and there are a lot of other demands from institutional investors as well. And if we get the spot Bitcoin ETF approved sometime this year, it will be a huge positive for Bitcoin and bring in a lot of new investors into the whole crypto industry basically. So personally, as I said, I don't want this scenario to play out, but just thought of bringing it to your attention so that you guys are aware that this has happened in past and it might happen in future as well. As always, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. and like this video if you have liked my analysis. Let me know in the comment section below what is your opinion. Are we going into a bear market, or are we going to get a support in this $30,000 range and go back and set a new all-time high? I'll be interested to see what your point of view is. Till next time, thanks for watching. I will see you in another video. Thank you.